YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks, and gonna do a shorter video. I have a confession to make. As a woodworker, I know like some of the big stores out there are like Woodcraft and Rockler. I've literally only got to go to Woodcraft one time, and I just broke the other. I finally ordered something from Rockler. This was my thing. I needed it to do the floating shelves that I'm going to be doing. I needed a long, straight, hole centered, and I couldn't just guess it by eye. I'm usually really close with that, but I needed to make sure, so I bought an actual portable drill guide. A lot of the pieces that I work on are too big. I can't put them on the drill press, plus that's pretty small. So let's take a look at it. So yeah, this is what we got here. The portable drill guide and the self-centering drill vise for some of the smaller work. They had it as a package deal. I think it was just under 300 bucks, but you got like a $50 rewards card to use towards a future purchase. And yeah, I'm super pumped about this. I hope I'm not starting an addiction here to ordering some of this stuff, but yeah, let's get this thing opened. All right, so if you guys order from them, this is how they're going to come. They just put the packing sticker just right on it. Looks like it has plenty of adequate packaging on there just to make sure it keeps protected. All right, nobody wants to watch me fumble around with packaging. I know Nathan at Out of the Woods does this all the time. Let's see if it works. Perfect, much easier. All right, this thing got it out of the packaging. It's only a couple pieces you got to do. The instructions tell you it comes with these two transport nuts that are here. You have to take off so you can put the handles on. Already, immediately, I can tell this thing is slick. The fit and finish on it is just awesome. All the reviews I was reading, like Millcraft, a lot of these other ones, they make them, but this one, yeah, it costs a lot. But if you're going to be doing this kind of stuff, I mean, it's just worth it. It's there. So this is awesome. You can unlock it from either side. I got both sides locked right now, but you can unlock it, and then you can pick your angle for your drilling. It has ample space, so you can clamp this down. I mean, they have it set up so really if you even want to screw it down, depending on the piece you're working on. Obviously, most people are just going to clamp it if you're working on a finished piece. But like I said, I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to pack that away for the time being. I guess a lot of people use those for like turning blanks, for like pens, you know, just pre-drilling the hole right through the center of it. So the project I'm going to be working on with this is going to be, like I said, the floating shelves. And then right now, currently, I have a mailbox one that I'm going to just use it just to put a straight hole right through for a carriage bolt. But yeah, actually, let's take it over there, get it set up, and drill a hole. All right, so boom, it's simple as that. It's hard seeing it on here in this rough cedar, but have my hole, set this over it, got it clamped down so that it's centered. Got the angle at 0 because I'm just boring straight through. Hooked on the drill. So the only problem with this setup is going to be I do not have any long bits. And the hole I'm drilling is only a 1/2 inch, so my extensions have a knuckle on them. They're a little too wide, so I'm not going to be able to do it. So I'm actually going to have to do this twice. I'm going to drill so far through, flip it over, mark center again, do the same. Super smooth. Should be, I'm not gonna lie, this is awesome. This is awesome. It'd be super easier, especially using this heavy duty drill right here, if I could actually put two hands on this. So let me see if I can position the phone here. Beautiful. All right, just to kind of emphasize kind of the versatility of having this portable press like this, I had just glued up this half lap over joint here with these two 6x6 pieces, You can kind of see that there. So I actually didn't want to flip this 100% over because the piece could just fall off there, especially with Titebond 3. It'll take a whole day to totally harden up. So was able to just clamp this up on my other mark here, and I'll just run this through right here. All right, just to go over it again real quick too, you know, it's got its own chuck spot sitting right over here. Good heavy duty teeth on it. You can see on this large size teeth. I think it's up to a 1/2 inch collar. Super impressed. This thing, the fit and finish on it, you can lock it. Has an adjustable depth stop. So if you're going to keep doing a bunch of repeated ones and want to just hit a certain mark, you can lock that on at a certain depth. Obviously, like I said, I'm not using the Vise, but I want my future plans. I'd love to learn doing lathe work. So doing stuff like that, pen blanks or stuff like that, would be looking forward to learning it. So yeah, Rockler, thank you very much. This thing is the cat's meow. Got the hole drilled out. There it is. All right, YouTube, that about wraps it up for this one. Wanted to just, like I said, before I use this Rockler piece, this portable drill guide on a couple of projects, I just wanted to do a quick run over of it in case anybody else is thinking of purchasing something like this. Really happy with it. Rockler got it here really fast. Now, like I said, my biggest fear is, am I going to be ordering more stuff? Like I said, this is probably going to be one of the last couple videos here from the current workshop. Getting on the final stages of selling the house and going to be moving to the new property. So we're going to be out of the garage again until I build another shop. But as always, YouTube, it's been awesome. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and take care.